Hi, I'm Micah White and I'm a doctor of physical therapy. Today we'll be reviewing the exercises that involve the Wobble balance pad. These exercises are designed to help improve core stability and trunk stabilization. You want to complete these exercises in a firm chair. The initial step involves putting the Wobble pad right in the chair. We will be demonstrating lateral leans. Lateral leans consist of leaning to the left, creating a C into your spine, and then also to the right. It's important to note that you're not just leaning your head while doing the exercise. As you lean to the left, you'll have a natural tendency to want to lift up your feet, or also to the right. A progression of this would be lifting your feet off the ground and leaning left, and then leaning right. A much harder version of the exercise. Trunk rotation consists of crossing your arms, supporting with your hands, and then rotating to the right and then to the left. This will help to work your internal and external obliques, but also your other abdominal muscles. Again, I start with my feet supported, completing the exercise, and the progression, lifting your feet off the ground and then rotating. A much more challenging version of the exercise. The next exercise consists of forward and posterior leans. You can start with your hands on your thighs for support if you feel like you need a little extra help. Simply lean forward, keeping your spine nice and straight, and then lean back. Again, using your hands as needed. A progression is crossing your arms, leaning forward as if you were going to do a sit-up, and then leaning back. These core stabilization exercises are typically completed in 3 sets of 10 for a total of 30 reps. If you do have any questions, you can always consult your physical therapist. I hope this video helped.